Pop a scrap. We picked some of this stuff up off the street. Now I got my helper with me today. We're gonna try to push this, load this hot water heater up.
Look, hold on, I'm trying to do. Here, let me push out. I'll push right here to you down. Hold on. You got it?
Got it. This is gonna be the fun part.
I need to pull it a little bit closer to the ground because it's so high.
Put this right over here.
Okay. Woo. Okay.
Can you stand right here and hold it?
Yeah, let me see.
Or go up there and just go up there and put the truck in reverse and back up. I have to get my pliers and get that stuff out. That's some brass. Come on. Come on. Come on back. Come on back. Come on. Keep coming.
I couldn't see you, so I didn't want to back up too far.
Oh Lord.
Do I need to back up some more?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Come on back.
I wasn't sure.
Come on back. Come on back. All right, right there. That's good. Stick this down in that sleeve on the side.
Right here?
Yep, where it's,
like
that? Turn it toward the inside.
Like that?
Yep.
Like that?
Now turn it toward the inside. Right.
Like that?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
I had to put y'all over there. Y'all get to do a little sightseeing. Load this thing up. Alright. Alright, y'all got to do a little sightseeing. We got that big old fat hot water heater up on there. Need to go load up 2 more. Then I got a load of scrap. I got to go get as a scrap building shed carport. Guy's gonna load it on the trailer. You want to get that heater? Reach over and get that heater out. Get that cook stove out.
Yeah, I will. Yep.
It might work, it might not, but if you ever need it.
Yep. I got it. Thank you.
It's old Coleman.
Is it gasoline or is it propane?
It'd probably be propane, I would say.
Well, sometimes they're gasoline. They're a lot harder to use when they're gasoline. A lot more dangerous. But I've seen gasoline.
What we got to do to your saw?
I was going to take it to get it looked at, like the chain and stuff, and get them maybe to put on the chain better or give me a new chain.
All right, we'll get you a new chain. That chain's wore out.
Yeah, I know.
Well,
And I just wanted to look and see.
We'll get you a new chain today. Probably what you need. All right, we're going to get some more stuff. We'll be back. Help her, she's getting another hot water heater. There's my flag. I gotta get it up. Gotta get my flag pole up. Sit down, we just slide it up in there. I got one down in, yeah, down here, if we can get it out. But I ain't gonna worry about it right now. No. That girl, she ain't done nothing around here. All right, we'll be back with scrap. We're just riding back out to the end of the road out here. These workers are working hard down here. All right. They're out here repaving the road down through. Down through here. I'm gonna make you famous. I told you I would.
Thank you.
Look me up on YouTube. Y'all have a good one. Yeah, they're putting a turning lane in out here, so they're widening the road a little bit. Working hard at it. Hard at it. Gonna make you famous. Gonna make you world famous. Look up and smile. That's YouTube. YouTube page, making y'all world famous. Uh-oh, I got you now.